So without further much ado, let me show you using Naviate RX. So just click on the column that you want, go to Naviate RX, so VG, you confirm that the structural columns rebars are being seen, so they're being seen. Okay, then we can do the automatic generation. It has already done the calculation. You can either change, you can go through. So for the columns, it is working with the default number of 2. So we have the columns here, we have the spread footings, then we have the beams. Okay, so it gives you the number, and you can edit the template. So this is what it means, that you can edit the template, you can change the bars, but for our case I'm not going to edit it, I'm just going to use it as it is. So just click on OK. So you can go back to wireframe, so we can see that the structure has been reinforced. You see that the beams have been reinforced, the column footings have been reinforced. So you can just check on the spacing. What is the spacing between? So the spacing is 67.5. So you can actually change the way we have been the type of bars. So you can just select all the instances in the entire project, then just edit here and confirm that you want to view as a solid.
It's all about humanity.
I'll just get the report, this one. From the report, you can just check on the spacing of the rebars. So here we have 4 D20 at a spacing of 250. Yeah, so now the reinforcement is already generated. You can see it over here. So go back to right view, then just select that again, filter, be left with the rebar. Okay, change the visibility from here, just go to view visibility, and we want it as solid in the 3D view. So okay, and there we have them as solids, like so. So that's the way they look like. You can easily see. Okay, you can also change to realistic view, cancel, select on that, and we can edit. So here, override by category, then just increase the transparency to about 80 so that you can see the rebars.